The Uni-T Ut191E Ut191T presents itself as a professional digital multimeter engineered to provide accurate and reliable electrical measurements across a range of applications. This instrument is positioned as an essential tool for those requiring precise diagnostics and testing capabilities in various fields. A core strength of this device lies in its true RMS functionality, which ensures accurate readings for both AC voltage and current, even when dealing with non-sinusoidal waveforms. Beyond fundamental AC and DC voltage and current measurements, its utility is significantly expanded by its role as a capacitor and resistor tester. This comprehensive suite of measurement types makes it a versatile instrument capable of addressing diverse electrical and electronic testing requirements. For professionals engaged in electrical maintenance, electronics repair, or circuit development, the Ut191E Ut191T offers substantial diagnostic power. Its capacity to measure voltage and current across both alternating and direct current systems makes it well-suited for tasks such as troubleshooting power supplies, verifying automotive electronics, or diagnosing industrial control systems. Furthermore, the integration of capacitance and resistance testing supports detailed component-level diagnostics and verification in a wide array of setups. As a digital multimeter, the device inherently delivers clear and precise numerical readouts, which significantly enhances usability during critical measurement tasks. The professional designation implies a design focused on consistent reliability and accuracy, even when operating in demanding environments. By consolidating multiple functions, from basic voltage and current to specialized capacitance and resistance checks, this instrument streamlines the testing process, enabling users to efficiently assess various electrical parameters with a single tool. In summary, the Uni-T Ut191E Ut191T emerges as a comprehensive and dependable measurement solution. Its true RMS accuracy, combined with an extensive range of testing capabilities encompassing voltage, current, capacitance, and resistance, establishes it as a valuable asset for anyone needing reliable electrical diagnostics. It stands as a capable choice for professionals seeking a versatile and trustworthy digital multimeter.